Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the HIPAA compliance on monday.com. So if you want to enable this on your account, you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and go to the administration section. Now go ahead and expand security, and from here click in compliance, and here you'll find it HIPAA, or you'll say HIPAA or HIPAA, whichever way you want to call it, right? You can enable this, but in order to unlock this you will need to upgrade. So if you click on unlock, you will see that it's going to tell you that you need to upgrade right here. So you need to have a standard plan, pro plan, or even enterprise, whichever one, right? You also have the business and enterprise plans as well, so you can go ahead and just choose whichever plan that you want. But it's important for you to upgrade first to be able to enable this. So as you can see, once you do that, you can just easily go ahead and accept these terms here, and you'll be able to enable this compliance on your account. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.